Hi friends, this is Jitinder from TechWarm. This is Honor 6X smartphone in my hand. This phone is being launched in India on 24th of January, and I'll explain to you six cool features of this phone. The build quality of this phone is very durable and refined one, because the company has used a very refined material, aluminium, to make its body, and which looks quite premium, despite the fact that this phone is not of very high priced. And on the front side, you can see this is a plastic used here, along with the display. Rest is all aluminum, very good quality. On the right hand side, you can see is a power button and volume rockers. On the left hand side is SIM slots. It's a dual SIM phone. On the bottom, you can see speakers, grill, and charging slot. On the top is your earphone slot has been given. And this phone has very strong build, and in case it falls accidentally from your hand, it will not break, because accidentally once this phone slipped from my hand, but still this survived the fall. And besides that, you can see there are these are curved from here, and it from you can see these are curved design. So it is very easy to hold in your hand, despite the fact that this phone has 5.5-inch HD display. So you can easily lift the phone and can use the phone with your single hand. You can see here, this is a fingerprint scanner, and it's very fast. I have registered this finger on this. I'll just show you how I'm starting this phone by putting this finger. Now here it goes, it works, start working. So fingerprint scanner is very fast. That's another cool feature of this phone. The highlight of this phone is its dual camera setup, which comes with the 12 megapixel primary camera with LED flash, 6 p lens, face detection autofocus feature, and the secondary camera is 2 megapixel, and comes with the various modes also. I'll show you. It comes with various modes, so that is a beauty of this phone. It comes with the professional photo, beauty mode for your selfies, video, professional video, beauty video feature, HDR, night short panorama features, and other watermark like slow motion for your videos, etc. And I have used this phone extensively for my recent trip to Kerala, and you can see I have captured lot of images on this phone, which has come out beautifully, and the results are very vibrant and sharp. And you can see here, so you get a lot of depth of field also, thanks to the courtesy of a second camera given on the rear. So you will enjoy shooting on this phone, and it gives very sharp images even if you captured from some distance. So full marks to Huawei for this beautifully dual camera setup provided on this phone. So I mean, you won't find any reason to have a high-end camera if you get all the features in this type of phone, which is not priced heavily. As far as its other features are concerned, the other cool feature is its 3340 mAh battery, which is with fast charging, which is quite good for your full day usage. It goes even beyond 1 day, depending upon your usage pattern. And as far as its performance is concerned, it comes with the Kirin 655 octa-core processor, which is Huawei's own processor, and with 3GB and 3GB RAM and 32GB of internal storage. Another variant is 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which you can extend up to 128GB via micro SD card. I don't know whether the company will be launching 4GB RAM variant also in this phone. in this country, but we'll come to know about this only on 24th of January. So overall, to sum up, it has solid build quality, a dual camera setup which is very good and produces very sharp results, fast fingerprint scanner on the back, and battery is good, and it has a display of 5.5 inch with a resolution of 1080 by 1920 with 2.5D curved glass, which is also good. Sun visibility is good, viewing angles are good. So overall, let us see what the company price it, and these are the 6 cool features you will find on this, and I'll come out shortly with my detailed review of this phone. Thanks for watching this video, and bye.